Hi everyone, it's Vicky here today, designing with the Hip Kit Club December kit and printables. So my task this week is to use a cut file and the free printables with the January kit. And so I used the Scandi numbers and cut out a big number 2, and you can see the printables there on the left. So I'm scrapping a picture of myself and my husband, well, 2 pictures in fact, on Christmas Day, just me with a Santa hat and him pulling silly faces. So he always does that. So I do one every year, and he never changes. So I just embrace it now. And so that's just clear gesso that I put on the page because I know I'm going to put some mixed media on. And I pull out the rednecking creamies and the holly and the ivy inklings. So I'm just going to put down some of each onto the page using the packaging technique, my paintbrush, plenty of water. And before I did that, you may have seen that I just penciled where the 2 go so that I knew where I was going to ink. So there I go, but lots of water there, just putting it on. It looks a hot mess at the moment, but it will look better hopefully at the end. It's much the same with mixed media. It often looks a mess as you're doing it, but you just have to be patient and know that actually lots of it will be covered up, so it's not to worry. So some splatters, a bit more, bring the 2 back occasionally just to check how it looks, dry it off a bit, just to give that depth of ink on the back, because if you just put one lot down and dry it, it looks very flat. If you dry it in between putting down splatters and drying, and you get that sort of textured look. So as you can see, that looks completely messy. I was starting to think I'd have to start over, and but you know, I thought I'll stick with it and we'll see what happens. So already I just put the 2 back on, and you can already see that a lot of it is covered over. So fear not when you feel your mixed media has gone wrong. So I've just pulled out, that was a Project Life card that I put there behind that first picture, and then just some of the pattern paper behind the second, and some more pattern for a separate layer behind that first picture. Okay, and I keep playing with the photos. Where am I going to put them? Over or under the 2, straight or crooked? I decide on straight in the end. So now I'm going to pull out some of these printables, and I pull out a couple of them, and they have words. One says excellent fun, and the other says embracing who I am. And that's certainly what I have to do. I have to embrace who my husband is because he's crazy, and we all know it. In this house, me and the dogs, we know it, but we love him anyway. So, okay, some foam here on the back just to raise the photos up a little bit, and then I think I'll probably start to pull out some embellishments. So we got loads and loads of puffy stickers and chipboard and enamel stickers, all sorts of stickers. So I've got plenty to choose from. That flower that I put there, that was cut out of a piece of pattern paper. I'd done that before for another layout and not used it, so I stuck that in there. And those are exclusive die cuts, the baubles that I've put there. I think I only used one of those in the end. These are that's chipboard, the poinsettia with the holly and the little gold stars, and that one there as well, that's chipboard. These are the exclusive, no, yeah, I think I pull out the exclusive ones. Okay, so I'm going to stick this down first. Just sticking down what I've already got there, just because I'm happy with how it looks now, and I just want to get it stuck down. Okay, a bit concerned at this point actually that the 2 doesn't show very well, but I didn't do anything more about that, so I hope that it does look okay on screen. It's not too bad in real life, but actually it could be a bit more prominent. Maybe I'll add a line around it later. So there's some puffy stickers, exclusive puffy stickers there. Ho 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 at the bottom. It's obviously Christmas sentiment, so it works well. And there's an enamel dot in there, and then what else have we got that I've put down? The Christmas trees are puffy stickers and some puffy stars here going on. So now from the puffy sticker sentiments, we've got good times, and my idea is to make the title Good Times Together. So the 2 is part of the title. So I just used the Pink Fresh alphabet there to do together. So put that down, make sure that's straight. Okay. What am I going to do next? Oh, some clear stickers. Well, just the one. Jolly good time at the bottom underneath together. And then, okay, so splatter time. So this is the Shimmer's original paint Sunflower. It's very, very shimmery and gold. It's more gold, I would say, than yellow. So that works really well for splatters. And there's the final layout. I hope it gives you some inspiration for the cut files and the printables and some close-ups coming up. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe if you did. And I'd love to hear any comments or questions. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.